the transmission of music from a wristwatch is, both in concept and in practice, something big. Almost all the wristbands we tried and tested that offer music are really doing one of two things: play locally stored music or save it on the clock in advance, or are offering wrist-based controls for music that really is ringing on your phone. What Apple promised with the Series 3 watch equipped with LTE was the transmission of the real doll without a phone directly to their Bluetooth headsets. I finally had the opportunity to use this in the last 2 weeks. I paused in the same Apple Watch Series 3 that I tried in September and subscribed again to Apple Music $10 per month. It turns out that it is a great little feature to have. The music in real time runs out of the battery life of the watch, a lot, which is not a surprise, but you still have to take it into account. And the only way to look for new things on the clock is to use your voice, which can be uncomfortable. But, again, this is the first time I put on a smartwatch and I was able to request almost any music on demand from the watch itself, without needing a phone. There are two separate applications for listening to music on the watch: the music application and a radio application. On other Apple devices, radio is a tab within Apple Music. Here is your own application. The Music app is where you can find your pre-synchronized playlists just like you would on Apple Watches that are not LTE, and where, if you pay $10 per month, you can extract any other music. The radio application is free to use, and is where you listen to Beats One, Apple's free radio station, or 3 non-Apple radio stations: ESPN, CBS and NPR.